This is my main router. This is an Ethernet cable. And this is the Mercusys AC750 Wi-Fi router, which I will be setting up as an extender using an Ethernet cable. If your router has been used before, reset it first. If the router is brand new, there is no need to reset it. After resetting the router, connect an Ethernet cable from the main router to the WAN port of the second router. Now go to your phone. My phone is already connected to the main router's Wi-Fi. This is the Mercusys router device. Now connect it. Enter the Wi-Fi password from the back of the router. Now the phone is connected to the Mercusys router's Wi-Fi. The Mercusys router is now working as an extender. Now you can browse the internet using the Wi-Fi of your Mercusys router. This is how you can set up the Mercusys MR20 AC750 router as an extender using an Ethernet cable.